And we've been talking about the severe weather potential here in central Texas. Yesterday, the cap broke and we had some strong storms, and most of the action was actually north of Austin. This was Williamson, but still portions of Milam and Lampasas in our viewing area picked up on some large hail. Look at the sunrise this morning. That looks like a painting. You see the vibrant colors and the clouds and some cleared skies. Temperatures right now in the upper 60s. Winds are calm. Humidity at 90%. The Storm Prediction Center has a level 1 out of 5, which impacts every single county. The 15 we keep an eye on here at the First Warning Weather Center. It's going to be a similar setup to yesterday. We'll start off with some clearing skies and sunshine, which will lead to some pop-up showers and storms through the afternoon and especially into the early evening hours once the cap breaks. Here's 7 a.m. Notice there's really nothing around. You'll see the continuing clearing trend. Here's 12 o'clock heading off into the afternoon hours today. And watch what happens. It just takes one to form, and then you'll have some more cells that can develop on the outflow boundary. Here's 4:30, so that evening commute. And the high-resolution models put in this just north of Williamson County. The thing is, especially forecasting here in central Texas, this cell can pop and form pretty much anywhere across the map here. So we're looking at the big picture trend here. Rain chances really begin to pick up by 9 o'clock through the evening, taking more of a linear structure. This was exactly the case in these same several counties yesterday evening, and then that will continue to scatter off during the overnight hours. Well, let's look at the specific severe storm threats here. Moderate for hail, wind, and flooding, a very low-end tornado. Once it takes the linear structure, by then the tornado threat is basically zero, but still something we have to keep an eye on. And for your Friday, level 2 out of 5 by the Storm Prediction Center. This is just north of Austin. From Milam west to Williamson, Mason, Llano, San Saba, Gillespie, Lampasas, Burnett, Blanco. It's several counties that are especially farther out west in the hill country, and a level 1 out of 5 that's south and east of the Austin area. Let's look at clouds and radar here for tomorrow, starting off with some cloud cover building in during the early afternoon hours. The difference with tomorrow is tomorrow we're talking about a cold front moving through. A lot more coverage. You're going to see in our 7-day the rain chances really go up for your Friday. Here's 3 p.m. I mean, look at the aerial coverage this takes up from Lampasas all the way down to Blanco, and this moves over the Austin Metro 4, 5, 6 o'clock, and this one computer model has us clearing out by around 5, 6, 7 p.m. with some leftover showers from time to time when it's all said and done. The bottom line is stay weather aware, especially tomorrow with that 70% rain chance. Once the front moves through, we dry out a bit Saturday into Sunday. We'll keep a 10% rain chance to be safe, but then Central Texas, it's May. It's the first week of May. We will see a rinse and repeat next Tuesday and Wednesday. Rain and thunderstorms back in the forecast. Eric?